Have you ever wondered what would happen if a tree fell on your car, or if your vehicle got damaged in a flood? What about theft or vandalism? You might think your standard car insurance covers everything, but that's not always the case. Welcome to InsuraLab, where we break down the fine print of insurance, one video at a time. And today, we're diving into a very misunderstood part of your policy, comprehensive car insurance. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, what it covers, and whether you actually need it. Let's start with the basics. What is comprehensive car insurance? Comprehensive car insurance is a type of auto coverage that protects your vehicle from damage not caused by a collision. It's sometimes referred to as other than collision coverage, and that's exactly what it means. It steps in to cover incidents that don't involve hitting another car or object. We're talking about fire, theft, vandalism, natural disasters, falling objects, and even animal damage. So, if your car gets stolen, your comprehensive coverage is what helps you replace it. If a hailstorm dents your hood, or a deer runs across the highway and smashes into your bumper, yep, that's comprehensive at work. Now here's a common question. Isn't that already included in regular car insurance? Not quite. In most states, basic car insurance includes liability coverage. That's what pays for damage or injuries you cause to others in an accident. If you want coverage for your own car, you'll typically need to add collision and comprehensive insurance. Collision pays for damage when you hit something, and comprehensive pays for when something else hits your car or harms it in some way. Let's break that down with a simple example. Imagine you park your car on the street. That night, a massive storm rolls through. A tree branch falls on your car, smashing the windshield and roof. Now, if you only had liability insurance, you'd be out of luck. You'd have to pay for the damage out of pocket. But with comprehensive coverage, your policy would kick in and help cover the repair costs, minus your deductible. Let's talk about that deductible. A deductible is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. So, if your comprehensive deductible is $500 and the storm damage costs $2,000 to fix, your insurance pays $1,500 and you cover the rest. The higher your deductible, the lower your monthly premium, but the more you pay if something happens. Now, is comprehensive coverage required by law? No, it's not. In fact, most states only require liability coverage. But here's the thing. If you finance or lease your car, your lender will probably require you to carry both comprehensive and collision coverage. Why? Because the lender still technically owns the car, and they want to protect their investment. So, should you get comprehensive coverage? That depends on your situation. Ask yourself, do you live in an area with frequent hail, wildfires, floods, or hurricanes? Do you park your car outside where it's exposed to the elements? Is vehicle theft or vandalism common in your neighborhood? Could you afford to replace your car if it was stolen tomorrow? If the answer to any of those is yes, then comprehensive might be a smart move. But if your car is older and not worth much, you might want to skip it. Now, let's talk price. How much does comprehensive coverage cost? On average, you might pay between $100 and $300 per year for comprehensive coverage, depending on your state, the value of your car, your driving record, and your deductible. But remember, insurance isn't just about price, it's about peace of mind. And knowing your car is protected from more than just crashes, that's worth a lot. Here's another important point. Comprehensive doesn't cover everything. It doesn't cover damage from a collision. It doesn't pay for mechanical failures or routine maintenance. And it won't cover stolen personal items inside your car. Those are usually covered by renters or homeowners insurance. So to recap, comprehensive car insurance covers theft, vandalism, natural disasters like floods and hail, fire, falling objects, animal damage, certain weather events. It doesn't cover collisions, wear and tear, engine breakdowns, medical expenses, stolen personal belongings inside your car. Now, here's a tip not many people know. Bundling your comprehensive coverage with other policies, like homeowners or renters insurance, can often earn you a discount. And shopping around? Even better. Always compare rates from different companies before you commit, because prices can vary wildly for the exact same coverage. And before we wrap up, let me leave you with this. Insurance is one of those things we all hope we never need, but when disaster strikes, it can save you from financial ruin. Comprehensive car insurance gives you an extra layer of protection. It covers those what-if moments that no one sees coming. If you're investing in your car, it's smart to protect that investment completely. Now that you know what comprehensive insurance really is, you're already ahead of most people. And if this video helped clear things up, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button.